The five original members of X-Men brought together by Professor Charles Xavier, and he sends them forward in time to meet their older selves and set things right. But 20 years from now, a hooded figure stands over the ruins of the Xavier Institute. Several X-Men members are lying dead, and that person blames Charles for this mess. So before leaving the mess via a portal, that person decides he will fix all this. Now in the present day, an anti-mutant protest is going on in Chicago. A protester corners two young mutants in an alleyway, but before he could hurt them, the teen X-Men show up and save the two kids from the protester. Later they bring the kids to the Xavier Institute to make sure they are okay. So during the checkup, Jean tells Kitty Pryde that the kids' memories are totally wiped out. She can't even find a small fragment of their memories. So the X-Men decide to put the kids in their mansion. Later that night, Cyclops takes Storm, a vampire version known as Bloodstorm, on a dinner date. In an alternate reality, Storm was beaten by the vampire's leader, Dracula, which turned her into a bloodthirsty vampire. But she eventually managed to free herself from Dracula's control and found a proper place among the X-Men on Earth 616. So the young Scott and Ororo develop romantic feelings for each other, but Scott is hesitant to act on as he has to return to his own timeline with the rest of the young X-Men. So Ororo grabs his hand and tells Scott to stop worrying about the future and the past, just focus on the now. But before they can talk more, the X-Men villain Ahab and his hound show up to kill Cyclops. So the two heroes quickly react, and Scott tells Ororo to help the civilians. He will keep them busy. One hound approaches Scott, but before it can kill him, Storm punches the hound in the face. She then approaches Scott to help him stand up, but from behind, Ahab stabs Bloodstorm through her chest and immediately kills her, and he then orders his hounds to kill Cyclops too. But driven by rage and anger for killing his love, Cyclops unleashes a full optic blast and vaporizes the two hounds. Scott then arrives outside to kill Ahab, but he finds none. Storm is dead, and the young Cyclops fails to save her. He then carries her dead body to bring her to the mansion, but Storm dissolves into dust. So which part you like the most? Please share your thoughts on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.